Most people lose money trading for one reason. They are using the wrong platform. So let me show you what actually changes the game. Investizo is a modern award-winning online broker designed for real traders at every level, not just professionals or institutions. A broker is the platform that connects you to the financial markets. And with Investizo, one account gives you access to multiple markets, including Forex, crypto, gold, oil, indices, and CFDs. This is important because beginners don't yet know which market suits them best, and Investizo allows you to explore different asset types without opening multiple accounts or learning multiple platforms. The interface and tools are designed to be approachable for new traders while still offering depth and flexibility that more experienced traders need, making this a pretty strong starting point that can grow with you over time. Now, one of the biggest reasons beginners choose Investizo is because of the copy trading feature, which was awarding Best Copy Trading System at the Dubai Forex Summit in 2024. Copy trading allows you to automatically follow and replicate the trades of experienced traders in real time, which means that you don't need advanced technical skills or years of experience to actually participate in the markets. For someone new to trading, this is pretty important because it reduces the learning curve and removes the pressure of making every decision on your own. So at the same time, beginners can actually watch how professional traders manage their risk, how they enter trades and how they exit positions, turning copy trading into both a learning tool and a way to participate more confidently. Now, Investizo also offers access to more than 100 trading incidents, which helps traders spread risk instead of relying on a single market or asset. This matters because putting all your capital into one trade or one market increases risk, especially for beginners. The platform obviously it provides high leverage options, including up to 1 to 1,000, and during promotional period, even 1 to 2,000, allowing traders controlled larger positions with smaller amount of capital. So while leverage should always be used carefully, having flexible leverage options gives traders more control over how aggressively or conservatively you want to trade. All trading is actually done through MetaTrader 4. So this is one of the most widely used trading platforms in the world. So it's known for its fast execution, its stability, and a clean interface, which makes placing and managing trades super easy for new users. It's personally one that I use and I love it to this day. Now, for any trader, especially a beginner, being able to move money in and out of a platform smoothly is pretty damn critical. And Investizo emphasize a strong emphasis on speed and reliability. So deposit and withdrawals are processed really quickly, removing the stress and uncertainty that can come from long waiting times. The platform supports multiple payment methods, including bank card and cryptocurrency, which gives users flexible options based on their location and their preference. This is especially important for global traders, as Investizo is built to support users from many regions rather than being limited to one country or one payment system. Reliable access to your funds actually builds trust and allows traders to focus on learning and improving rather than worrying about operational issues. It works well for both manual traders and copy traders. It holds a strong reputation with over 5 years in the market. It's also suitable for long-term trading and active strategies. If you want to trade smarter or with copy traders who already know what they're doing, register using my link below and explore Investizo for yourself.